Right, so there's currently a little storm going on right now. I'll open this blind so you can see it. It's like water just flooding right there. And so far, as you can obviously tell, the power hasn't gone out. If it did go out, then the lights inside this apartment unit would be off, and the fountain right out there would be off as well. So currently there's no power outages right now, so that's a good thing. And the little weather thing that pops up on the home screen of my phone said that these storms will continue throughout 7 p.m. So could be a change by that point. I am not entirely too sure. But pretty sure you've seen just then while I was talking that there was a flash of lightning. So that happened. But yeah, let's see if I can move these blinds a little more. So yeah. Yeah, nothing's really, no power's really gone out yet. I would go and film around outside, but that does not seem to be like a safe thing to do right now. But I will inform you later if any power outages happen. So yeah, I'll see you all later when I give an update on this storm. Now, if the power did go out around here, then all of these lights would be turned off right now because, well, there's no backup generator connected to this place. So all the lights would basically be off with no backup generator providing power to them. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, so these smoke alarms, like those right there, even if the power does go out, they're still gonna operate normally if there's a reason for them to, because they run on a backup battery, you know, just like that little device right down there. If the power went out, that thing would still be operational because of a backup battery. So yeah, just gonna turn this light on so you can see me. Yeah. Anyways, I'm looking out here again. Yep. Yep, everything's actually really flooded right now out there. But yeah, I'll check back in case any power outages do happen. Well, it seems that there's nothing else with that storm that I can film right now. No power outages happened. So that's pretty much it for the storm video.